Creating revolved surfaces in UMake is easy with the Revolve tool. First, start with a profile curve that you would like to transform into a revolved shape. Keep in mind that this profile curve should only be half of the full shape you want to create. Next, select the profile curve. Then tap Revolve from the side menu. You will notice two blue handles with a dashed line between them appear at both ends of the profile curve. In addition, you will notice a surface shape appear, but most likely it's not exactly what you want. To change this shape and get the revolved surface exactly as you want it, you can move the axis using the two blue handles. Simply tap and drag each handle to move the axis of the revolved shape. In the side menu, you will notice options for the revolution angle, snap, and wireframe. Revolution angle lets you choose how much you want the surface to be revolved. Snap will snap the axis to be perfectly vertical, horizontal, or 45 degrees. Wireframe will show a wireframe of the surface as you create the revolved surface. Once you are done creating your revolved surface, tap the green check mark to exit the tool. Try creating a bottle or a simple glass to get a feeling for how you can work with the Revolved Surface tool in UMake.